Okay, so today I've got a couple of theorems for you. I got 2 examples for you, and then we will be done. This is the last section in chapter 5, and as I mentioned yesterday, Monday you have some AP questions, which you obviously can't study for, but then on Tuesday you have a quiz, which you will study for, and then our chapter test is going to be on Wednesday, not Thursday. So we'll go back-to-back quiz test. That'll be fun. Yeah.
That's evil.
Wow.
That's
Whoa. Whoa.
Late. Late.
Did you have gym last period?
Late. I was next door. Late.
So?
Oh, see? Alright.
Yeah. You're still late.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Should I get a pass?
Yeah.
Peter, way to go, Dodgy.
Or I can just give you a tardy.
Late.
Give you detention. Alright.
This is one of like smoothly dives forward and the side. Whenever I don't know what to do, I just jump in there and do like a snap. You get caught on the ground and picked it up. This is all in the recording. So we don't know if I put it out as well.
He's got the squeaky shoes.
Greek shoes.
That's exactly what I pointed out. Because that impact right there.
You will.
I don't think you will.
Oh, dude.
I need you for sure. For sure, toss.
For sure.
Short out, whatever. I can't use your life right now.
Right now.
What happens?
It will, yeah, after the season.
This can get a little tricky because you'll see in the examples that you have to figure out which form it fits into. Once you figure out which form it fits into, it's not that bad. However, sometimes it will be a problem that doesn't involve one of these forms, and therefore there must be a different way to solve it. Okay? This is not earth-shatteringly important in the fact that you would see maybe one question on the AP test involving these kind of things. Obviously you need it for Wednesday for the test, but I'll take you through a couple examples and then we'll go from there. Are you gonna blow up? You okay?
Yeah, I'm detonating.
Great.
Shoot me to the
If it starts to beep faster, should we run?
Everyone but you.
Everyone but you.
Everyone but you. Way to go, Emma. Oh, bummer! Sucks to be you. All right, first things first, what can you tell me about the 4? It's constant. Good. Anything else? Pull it out in front. It's irrelevant to the problem, so we can just pull it out in front. Problem number 1 taken care of. Problem number 2. What form? I, or I?
Aye.
Which would be sine, tangent, or secant? Tangent, what's u?
X squared. 1 plus X squared.
4.
U X.
U is
X.
x. What's a?
1.
1. That's the hard part. The rest is just plug and chug.
Wait, why is A and U X, just X?
Because of the I.
It's in the form 1 over a squared plus u squared, right?
Oh, so you don't.
So therefore,
It's just X. Okay.
a is 1 and u is x. X. Hi. How are you today?
Can we do the
Who's the
guessing
lucky
game?
winner?
Thank you.
Dang.
Can we play the game?
Later if we have time.
It's not me. Thanks, Eric.
I did it and I tried.
Okay, so knowing that it is the form of tangent, the formula is 1 over a, which last time I checked is 1, inverse tangent of
X.
over 1. We're going simplistic here.
Plus C.
No plus c. Why no plus c? The definite integral.
Definite.
I cannot talk.
Definite project. We should make it better.
No, that was just me struggling.
No, you
I'll have to beatbox a little bit.
Now comes the next make.
Don't you have to multiply it by 4?
Oh, thank you. I made the. I'm so glad Claudia's here.
That's true.
Good. That's the easy part. If you don't know the unit circle, now things get fun. What is the inverse tangent of 1?
Pi over 4.
Nice. What's the inverse tangent of 0?
0.
0. 4 times pi over 4 minus 0. Pi. Are we good? Questions on that? Again, identifying which form you're in, identify U and A, plug and chug. Next example. Number 2.
Well, we agree on something.
Notice in the last problem, why did I not do anything with U? Not you. You.
You didn't have to. There's always
Why?
Because there's only one X.
And therefore, what's the derivative of x? 1, so it's irrelevant. This, not the same case. First of all, which form is that? Sine, tangent, or secant? It is sine. What's u?
E to the 2X.
Good. And what's a? U is e to the 2x. A is equal to 1. Therefore, what's du? Little practice here. What's the derivative of e to the 2x? E to the 2x times 2, well done, dx. So dx is equal to 1 over e to the 2x times 2 times du. Gesundheit. Are we happy about that choice for you? Yeah, because e to the 2x cancels with e to the 2x. I got a 1/2 out in front. 1 over the square root of 1 minus u squared. E to the 2x squared is e to the 4x power to the power, multiply the exponent. Take the integral. What's the form for sine?
Inverse sine. Are we switching
U
it to
over
e?
A.
to
Not
the-
yet. We'll just do u first.
Okay, so u over a plus c.
which would be 1/2 times the inverse sine. A is 1, u is e to the 2x plus c. And we're done. Okay, pretty straightforward. Good. Of course, it'll get a little bit more complicated, but that's okay. You're smart. You'll work it out. That wraps up chapter 5.
We're done.
Let's get out of this.
Well, what can I do?
Stop the recording.
Do you have